got it here a Zach Trail survival equipment or survival kit. First of all, we get this waterproof backpack, 20 liters, so submergible. It's going to either hold the water or keeps it dry. You can actually fill it up with water like a bucket. So let's open it up. In a closed position, all we have to do is wrap it around and close it like that. These dry bags are pretty awesome. So this is what that survival kit going to look like. Pretty small, as you can see. Have a handle, have a back straps, front straps, nice. Anyways, let's unbox it, see what we got. Also there's a front pocket, empty I guess for like little stuff. Anyways, this is a really nice dry bag. First of all, we get Ozark Trails glow sticks. So it looks like everything going to be by the same brand, which is kind of nice. Emergency blanket. Recently I showed you this emergency like vest that blows up. That's so much better than this. Then right here, UST emergency food ration bars. Those things are pretty nasty. It's like 5 years shelf life, but they're not that tasty. But at least it'll keep you alive, I guess. So this is mess kit or whatever, like bunch of metal cans and things so you can cook one. Also Ozark Trail, nice. Check this out, little multi-tool, pretty cool. Those things cheap. Okay, looks like they make some kind of drink cups and thermos, I guess. There you go. Easy to open, easy to drink from. There's a little holder, boom. I guess it's one of those 24 ounces vacuum insulated stainless steel water bottle. That's what it is. Bunch of rope, still by the same brand. Wow, there's a lot of goodies. What is this? Explorer tool. Probably would never use that. There's so much stuff in there. I feel like a Santa. Oh my gosh. Lighter. Is this really a camping lighter? I don't think so. This things break pretty easily. And then there's, come on, like what is this? Water purification. Yep. Few more things. Ozark Trail flashlight. Look at that. There's so much fun stuff. Feel like a Santa. Wipes. Striker, that stuff is really good. I like that striker, I have tried it before. There's a poncho, that's pretty nice and really small. Looks like a pail. They peel, so some kind of insect peel. Ozark Trail spoon sets. Little shovel, same brand. This is like $5 knife. It's horrible, but you can beat it up and throw it away. And this tool, I just like keep donating them. I have too many of them at Goodwill or whatever. And there's a kit right here. This is definitely not for camping. So this is why they call it outdoor equipment. I don't know why they put this as outdoor equipment. Would you bring with yourself and in a backpack a whole like a band-aid and all that first aid kit? I would not. Probably leave this one definitely at home and get rid of a bunch of gadgets I would never use. But anyways, that's what I bought on eBay. If you're interested, now you know what's in one of these bags. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It was fun opening it.